Hey, Gary here, back at the Scout 3D shop. Today's a good day. We're going to be doing an unboxing video of seems to be my go-to favorite filament at the moment. It's Numakers. They don't pay me to do this. They don't give me any free filament. It's just, I want to give a shout out to them just because I'm so happy with their product. I feel like everything I print with this, the colors are great. Just the finished product comes out great. Very little stringing on the PLA Plus. The PET G, it's all the same. It just comes out fantastic. So I'm probably just going to be buying like more and more of this, and I have bought more and more of this. And again, it feels like between this and one or two other brands, it seems to be my go-to filament. What I have to start learning to do is just buy a case of each color so I can run printers. But yeah, and I'm going to try this ASA for the first time. Haven't tried that yet. I have a few colors of ASA. Now we have the PLA Plus in yellow, PLA Plus in Lagoon Blue. Excited to try that color. I have PLA Wood. I've tried other woods and they actually suck to print, so hopefully this one works out well. I have, let's see, gotta get it out of there, for Christ's sake. PLA Plus Light Blue, haven't tried that one. We have Royal Blue, awesome color. PLA Plus here again. We have Magenta, haven't tried that yet. The Royal Blue is a PET G, haven't tried the PET G in Royal Blue. PLA Plus Light Gray. And then last but not least, we have a PLA Plus Fluorescent Green. That's also a great color. I was hoping I ordered fluorescent orange, but I guess I did not. But yeah, there you have it. Again, try Numakers filament. Very good value. Comes pretty quick, but the print quality is amazing. All right, thanks.